Mao. Lesson 37. Professor Whiskers here with another practical travel lesson. Yesterday you learned airports. Today, we learn getting from the airport to your hotel or anywhere in the city. Taxis, Uber, Lyft, ride services. Where to? How much? Can you take me to this address? Please stop here. You need transportation in every city. Whether you are traveling or just going somewhere in your own city, taxis and ride services are essential. Today, we learn everything for taxis and ride-sharing apps. By the end of this lesson, you can get a taxi, tell the driver where to go, and pay for your ride, confidently and safely. Let us learn taxi English. Cats do not take taxis. We walk where we want to go. Or we stay home. But I understand human transportation needs. First, let us understand different transportation options. Transportation types. Taxi. Traditional taxi car. Yellow in many cities. You flag it down on the street or wait at taxi stand. Uber. Ride-sharing app. Book through your phone. Driver comes to you. Lyft. Another ride-sharing app, like Uber. Popular in USA. Grab. Ride-sharing app in Southeast Asia. Bolt. Ride-sharing app in Europe and Africa. Rideshare. General term for Uber, Lyft, etc. Airport shuttle. Shared van service. Takes multiple people to hotels. Private car service. Pre-booked driver. More expensive. Professional. Which to use. Taxi. No phone needed. Available everywhere. Sometimes more expensive. Uber Lyft. Needs smartphone and app. Usually cheaper. See price before you book. Cashless payment. Both are fine. Both are safe in most cities. Today's lesson covers both. Taxis and ride-sharing apps. Similar conversations. Similar phrases. You need a taxi. How do you get one? Finding taxis. At taxi stand. Designated area where taxis wait. Common at airports, hotels, train stations. Just get in the next available taxi. On the street, see a taxi. Raise your hand. Wave. This is called hailing a taxi. Taxi stops. Get in. Call a taxi. Phone a taxi company. They send a car to you. At the airport, look for signs. Taxi. Ground transportation. Go to taxi stand. Queue area with line of people. Wait your turn. Get in next available taxi. Do not accept offers from random people. Use official taxis only. On the street. See a taxi. Available taxis. Raffle light on top turned on. Raise your hand. Wave. Taxi stops. Get in. Asking someone for help. Excuse me. Where can I get a taxi? Is there a taxi stand near here? Can you call a taxi for me? Using Uber or Lyft. Quick overview. Opening the app. Open Uber or Lyft app. Enter destination. Where you want to go. App shows price. Estimated cost. Choose car type. Uberx. Uber Comfort, etc. Confirm pickup location. Where you are now. Request ride. Tap the button. Waiting for driver. App shows driver information. Name. Photo. Car type. License plate. App shows car location on map. How far away? Wait at pickup location. When driver arrives, verify. Check license plate. Check driver's name. Get in car. Say hello. Greet the driver. Driver. Hi. Going to Main Street Hotel? You. Yes, that is right. During ride. Usually quiet. Some drivers chat. Some do not. App tracks route. You can see on phone. Payment automatic. No need to pay manually. After ride. Driver. Here we are. Have a good day. You. Thank you. You too. Exit car. Close door gently. Rate driver in app. 5 stars usually. Most important conversation. Where are you going? Getting in a taxi. Driver. Hello? Where to? Or, where are you going? Or, where would you like to go? Different ways to answer. Give address. 123 Main Street, please. Give location name. The Hilton Hotel, please. Give landmark. The Eiffel Tower, please. Give area. Downtown, please. If you have the address written, driver, where to? You. Can you take me to this address? Show paper or phone. Driver looks at address. Driver, okay, no problem. If you are not sure of exact location. You. The Marriott Hotel. Do you know it? Driver, yes, I know it. Or, driver, which one? There are two Marriott hotels. You. The one on Main Street. Or, the one near the airport. Driver, okay, I know it. If driver does not know, U 456 Oak Street, please. Driver, I am not sure where that is. Do you have GPS? You, yes. Show phone with map. Driver, okay, I will follow your GPS. Multiple stops. You, can we make 2 stops? Driver, where to? You, first, the post office, then the hotel. Driver, okay. Practice destinations. To the airport, please. To the train station, please. To this address, please. To the city center, please. To the Sheraton Hotel, please. Can you take me to 789 Park Avenue? You are in the taxi. On your way. What might you say? Route questions. How long will it take? Driver, about 20 minutes. You, is there a lot of traffic? Driver, yes, it is rush hour. Might take a bit longer. You, that is okay. Asking about route. You, do you know the fastest way? Driver, yes, I will take the highway. You, is this the right way? Driver, yes, do not worry. Asking to change route. You, can you avoid the highway? I prefer surface streets. Driver, sure, no problem. You, can you take a different route? This seems slow. Driver, okay, I will try another way. Making conversation. Optional. Driver, first time in the city? You, yes, first time. Driver, where are you from? You, I am from Canada. Driver, nice. Enjoy your stay. Or stay quiet. It is fine to not talk. Just look out window. Check your phone. Relax. Not all drivers want to chat. Not all passengers want to chat. Both are normal. Emergency phrases. Slow down, please. If driver is going too fast, stop here, please. If you need to stop suddenly. This is not the right way. If you think driver is going wrong direction, you are arriving at your destination. Arriving. Driver, here we are. Or, we are here. Or, this is it. You. Thank you. If you want to stop at specific spot, can you stop here, please? Driver, sure. Or, you, can you pull over here? Driver stops. If you need driver to wait, you, can you wait for me? I will be just 5 minutes. Driver, okay, but the meter keeps running. I will charge for waiting time. You, that is fine. Or, driver, sorry, I cannot wait. I need to go. You, okay, no problem. Getting something from trunk. You, can you open the trunk, please? I'll need my suitcase. Driver, sure. Driver opens trunk. You, thank you. Take your luggage. Before you exit, check you have everything. Phone, wallet, bags, purchases. Do not forget anything in the taxi. Time to pay. Very important. In traditional taxis. Driver, that is $25, please. You, can I pay with a card? Driver, yes. Or, sorry, cash only. Paying with card. You, here's my card. Driver processes card. Driver, sign here, please. You sign receipt. You, here you go. Driver, thank you. Here is your receipt. Paying with cash. Driver, That is $25. You, here is $30. Keep the change. This means the extra $5 is the tip. Or, you, here is $30. Driver, your change is $5. You, thank you. You can leave some change as tip. 10-20% is standard. Asking about price before starting. You, how much to the airport? Driver, about $40. You, okay. This helps you know what to expect. For Uber Lyft, payment is automatic through app. Already done. No need to pay driver directly. Tip in app if you want. Optional but appreciated. Getting receipt. You, can I have a receipt please? Driver, sure. Here you are. Or, driver, receipt will be emailed to you. If price seems wrong, the meter says $50, but you said 30. Driver, there was extra traffic. Or, driver, that is the airport surcharge. Airport rides often have extra fees. If you are unsure about price, is this the correct price? Driver, yes, that is what the meter says. If you think something is wrong, ask politely. Sometimes things go wrong. How to handle them? Driver does not understand your destination. 123. Main Street, please. Driver, sorry, can you repeat that? You, show address on phone. Driver, okay, I see it. You are going wrong way. You, excuse me, I think we are going the wrong way. My hotel is north, not south. Driver, let me check. Shows GPS. Oh yes, sorry. I will turn around. Meter not turned on. You, excuse me, a meter is not on. Driver, oh sorry, turns it on. Always check meter is on when you start. Protects you from overcharging. Driver asks for more money than meter shows. Driver, that is $50. Meter says $30. You, but the meter says 30. Driver, flat rate to airport is 50. If this happens at airport, check if there is an official flat rate. If not, hey meter price. You, I will pay what the meter says. $30. You left something in taxi. If you realize immediately, call out, excuse me, wait. If you realize later, call taxi company. Uber Lyft has lost item feature in app. Provide details, time, location, what you lost. Many times you can get items back. Important safety information for taking taxis. Safety guidelines. Use official taxis. License taxis at official taxi stands. Or use apps. Uber, Lyft. They track everything. Do not get in unmarked cars. People offering rides at airports. Often scams. Sit in back seat. Standard for passengers. Share your ride. Send trip details to friend through Uber Lyft app. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, do not get in. Check driver matches app. For Uber Lyft, verify name and license plate. Keep valuables with you. Do not put wallet or phone where you might forget. Know your route generally. Use your phone GPS. Make sure driver is going right direction. If you feel unsafe, ask driver to stop. I would like to get out here, please. Call someone. Pretend to talk on phone. Tell driver you are being trapped. My friend is following our route on the app. Most drivers are safe and professional. But always be aware. Homework time. Task 1. Write a complete taxi conversation. From getting in to paying. Include destination, price question, and payment. Use today's lesson as guide. Task 2. Practice these essential taxi phrases out loud 5 times each. To the airport, please. How much will it cost? How long will it take? Can you stop here, please? Keep the change. Task 3. In the comments, tell us, do you take taxis often? Where was the last place a taxi took you? Or if you do not take taxis, what transportation do you use? Example, I take taxis sometimes. Last week, a taxi took me to the train station. Or, I do not take taxis. I use the subway and bus. Or, I use Uber all the time. Last night, Uber took me to a restaurant. Share your transportation experience in English. In Lesson 38, we learn using public transport, bus, subway, train, how to buy tickets, ask about routes, know when to get off. More transportation options, often cheaper than taxis, good for daily life in cities. But today you learn taxi and rideshare English. How to get a taxi. Tell the driver where to go. Ask about time and price. Pay for the ride. Handle problems. Taxis are convenient, available in every city, sometimes expensive, but easy and direct. Uber and Lyft are modern alternatives. Often cheaper. Payment is easier, safe and tracked. Practice these phrases. Even if you do not take taxis regularly, knowing this vocabulary is important for travel. Next time you need a ride, you are ready, confident, prepared. Get where you need to go. Safe travels. Meow.